geese.
Hi everybody. We're going on an adventure today. Catch fish. And I see this. And the one that I saw charged at two other ones. And it's in the middle, and see? That one's charged. There's one that just charged in the middle. The middle with its head down. I think
We got to walk through those geese. We're going on an adventure. We're going in-town adventure. We're going to Salish Ponds.
And I think it may be the leader.
It might be the leader. We'll find out. We're gonna try these ponds. They're online. It says that they stock one side with trout. There's two ponds. One side is stocked with trout and it's deep, and the other side has got good warm water fish. It's about 55 degrees out, a little bit rainy, and it's overcast. So we're gonna give it a go. Let's see what happens when I walk through these geese. Excuse me, geese. Come on, Trey. Excuse us, geese. We want to come through here. Excuse me. I'm not giving you food. Come on, scoot. Scoot. Go on, scoot. They're all right. They're all right. They're just interested in eating grass. You'll know. Check this osprey out. Oh, that is the eagle, isn't it? That's a young eagle. Trey, here's a muskrat right here. You want to see him? Oh, Trey got a fish. All right, go back in there.
No, I don't.
Okay, go ahead.
Dad, can you pick my finger in there?
Yes. Put Trey onto some bites here. See if we can get him a sunny or two. So we didn't have any luck at the first spot, but we're walking along to another spot here. We decided we're gonna walk the big pond, we're gonna walk this pond, and then after that we'll walk the other one, and then that'll be our day. And no nibbles or anything. Trey had some couple little baby nibbles when he was playing with the teeny fish, but I saw one guy get a small largemouth. Well, we've seen some cool wildlife so far. And what's that song, Tracy? Well, we fished most of the way around this one pond and didn't catch anything. So now we're gonna try to see about. Oh wait, where are we going? We're supposed to be going this way. Okay. There's another pond over this way apparently. So we're going to try and check out the other pond. Maybe we'll stop at this dock for a few minutes and take a look, but looks like there's already people on it. So Trey's kind of lost most of his interest in the actual fishing part today and just kind of hanging out playing by the water. But that happens. We'll see. You can get a special permit to have two, but most places you're just allowed one, and that's so that it leaves fishing available for everybody. Oh, Trey's on the bobber now with the power bait. We'll see how that goes. It might work. Who knows? These are stocked trout in here, and there's high pressure on this pond.
That's the song.
We pay attention to your bobber, dude. All right. Birds. Lots of birds here. The McGanns out here doing great.
Well, sorry for that. You cannot see us anymore. We are also a walking machine. I'm going to ask my dad a question. So, BRB, guess what we watched tonight? I had to ask the question. We watched the second Terminator. The only one that I can watch. But it was really cool. Yeah. Pew, 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 pew. Can't wait for summer break. So many river days. So many videos. What, Dad? Yeah. Yeah, I know. But I'm talking about when it's summer break. Yeah. Maybe some pool days. Boop, boop. Yeah, we're probably gonna make a lot of videos. Probably, Dad, right? The water here at the spot that we're at is really deep. I'm pretty sure more than one of my dad's in height. And he's like 5 foot something. Yeah. Hey, a second ago, like a few seconds ago, I saw 1, 2, 3 on the camera. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Dora the Explorer. I'm going to hide under this tree. Oh, I'm cold. I'm going to hide from the wind. Nope. 2 minutes once. What? Mommy? That also means what? Do you want me to stop and take a new one? Okay.
Well, here's what we learned at Salish Ponds. We learned that there's a lot of people here.
And I learned bring lots of stuff, but also don't carry the one with the water back, with the water inside.
We don't need to carry as much stuff as we bring. Well, we brought all that stuff so he'd be comfortable. All right, well, that's gonna wrap it up today.
Hey, we already did the outro.
You did, I didn't.
That's true.
We'll catch you next time. All right.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Trey says like and subscribe. If you made it this far, you might as well. All right. Peace.